Next, chemical properties. And that is very important property, acidic nature. Okay, this is very important. Acidic nature of phenol, that is very important for 4 marks question. Short answer. So, acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. So, both the alcohols and phenol, they are acidic in nature. Why? Because they reacts with highly active elements, highly active metals like alkali metals, and they forms salts. Okay. For example, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol that reacts with sodium metal. Sodium metal, alkali metal, highly active metal. So we get sodium ethoxide with the liberation of hydrogen. Okay. Whereas phenol also reacts with sodium metal, and we get sodium phenoxide with the liberation of hydrogen. So both phenols and alcohols reacts with active metals and forms salts. So this reaction indicates acidic nature of both alcohols and phenols. But phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay? Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Why? Because phenols reacts with sodium hydroxide and they form sodium phenoxide with the formation of water. Whereas that reaction is possible, that is not possible for alcohols. Why? Because they are weakly acidic. They can react with sodium metal only, but not with a strong alkali like sodium hydroxide. Okay? So, phenol, it reacts with sodium hydroxide. We get sodium phenoxide along with the formation of H2O. So, complete neutralization takes place here. We get salt and water. Okay. So, this reaction indicates phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay. These are more acidic than alcohols. And one more thing. For example, alcohol is there. We indicate with the formula ROH. So, alcohol forms RO minus and releases H plus. So, we get alkoxide ion with the liberation of H plus. So, alkoxide ion which is formed here, and this is strong conjugate base. Why? Because alcohols are weak acids and this is strong conjugate base. It immediately reacts with the H plus ions and reversible reaction takes place here. Okay. So, this reaction also indicates the weak acidic nature of alcohols. Whereas in phenol on ionization forms phenoxide ion and liberates H plus. This is phenoxide ion. Okay. So, formed phenoxide ion, this is more stable than phenol. Why? Because this is resonance stabilized. Phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. And in phenoxide ion, carbon atom oxygen linked with the sp2 hybrid carbon atom. Okay. So, sp2 hybrid carbon atom is more electronegative in nature. So, that's why ionization increases here. So, that's why phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay. So, during the ionization of phenol, we get phenoxide. Phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Okay. Phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Why? Because it undergoes resonance. resonance leads to stability. Okay, so phenoxide ion that exists in 5 resonating structures. Okay, so due to more resonating structures, it becomes more stable, and also due to the presence of sp2 hybrid carbon, stability increases. Okay, so due to these reasons only, it is more acidic than phenol. Okay, it is more acidic than alcohols. Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay, so let us see the resonating structures of phenol. Okay, these are the 5 resonating structures. 5 resonating structures. So this is phenoxide ion. Okay, so here resonating structures, they are formed due to the transfer of pi electrons in a conjugated system, throughout the conjugated system. So negative charge here means it is a pair of electrons. So these are transferred towards this carbon atom. And immediately next pi electrons transfers to ortho position. With that, electron density increases at ortho position. Okay. So here electron density is more at ortho position. And no charge separation is observed in case of phenoxide ion, resonating structures of phenoxide ion. Then after transferring of pi electrons, next resonating structure, electron density is more at para position. And again electron density, that is more at ortho position. So overall in all these resonating structures, electron density is more at ortho and para position. Okay, so that's why phenol undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, density increases in the electron density increases in the ring. Okay, then come to acidic nature of phenol. If a electron withdrawing group is present at the ortho and para position of phenol, its acidic nature gradually increases. Okay, so electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing groups like NO2Cl, okay, at ortho and para position increases acidic nature. Okay, increases acidic nature of phenol, and at the same time electron releasing groups, electron releasing groups like methyl, ethyl, okay, at ortho and para positions decreases acidic nature. Okay, so electron withdrawing groups increases acidic nature of phenol, and electron releasing groups, they decreases acidic nature of phenol. Okay, and acidic nature of phenols, so they are indicated with the dissociation constant Ka. Okay, Ka indicates acid dissociation constant. Okay, greater Ka value and smaller pKa value indicates more acidic nature. Okay, so dissociation constant, that is indicated with the Ka. So greater the Ka value and smaller pKa value indicates more acidic nature. Okay, so it indicates the more acidic nature. So So this is about acidic nature of phenol. Next, esterification reaction.